Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Esperance 0. I'm joined by Mr. Cock.
Steve Kamajana. I'm Nandi Steve.
Mm.
My fans, Steve. To subscribe, Steve. Like my video, Steve. Bandigile logo.
Yeah.
Nasko Sipamanda with Sibuye bon.
Yeah.
Steve, what's the game in Steve?
Sharp.
Congratulations for Gui Sundown, Steve. Now for me, Nzula Machita what debate alabaya. Can chilly less dude. I'm not for me on my side in the notes. I'm Steve. Santan is a little Steve.
Yeah.
For what taxi is care for Steve.
Yeah.
It's not easy, Steve. But the question that make Tala Steve coming to Coach Santan Kados. Nyambona Lomfanel Dala on the left side, do in left back divine. We are Dala, but Fitum Diva Fit. Experience Fit. Experience AFCON, experience Kev. Mfagera, I know my dad maybe my 2 games I can go crane. Mara Fit. Diva passing backwards. No, I learned the passing backwards. Namuja. I think by Santana when the shot and target the one is Tivo.
Yeah.
For me it's not good. Coming to experience side this Tivo. Playing too far. Epali is Tivo.
Yeah.
And has good to game play now me it's in Tivo. I'm getting a boxing in Tivo, but what I like about them, Steve, they took Santan for a marathon, Steve.
Yeah.
By kitchen missile too much, Steve.
Whole game.
No. What's about cheetah right back? But what's about Umdao, Steve. On the right, is giving Santan too much credit, Steve.
Yeah.
Yeah, guy Santan, Steve. Like we end this thing last, Steve. And also Uronen, like Mchelilusa Asan, because was on back to Roland and take a pum after number 5.
Oh, before even he goal.
Before even goal. Mchelilusa was on back, talent Puma too much, Steve. Once, twice, or legs.
Winner.
Yeah. Alapaya Bamshay is Steve and Ali goal, Steve.
He goal,
Ali goal, Steve.
Bamshay straight.
Bamshay Lapaya.
And the Uti Bam Champile.
Steve, the studios, my cameras, my phones, my young king to Steve. I'm a cheat. Steve, my cheat. I got about 5 on my phone, so big again, Steve, spoken to one. I'm shy, Steve. My congratulations, go Sundown, Steve. Steve, pay into Steve. No, well, into the school man now, Steve. If I pay, Steve. So piece of one. But I see go up, Steve. Experience a second half, Steve. If you get a winner second half, you know. If you get, I don't know, style of play, of packing a pass or a Bayenza and Steve. But he Santown, he take Shy Pali, La Paya, Alenda Shy Pali. And Tangaboni, not say a Sangana, my yabon. Yeah, but otherwise, Steve, there's no much to say. That goal, it was an offside goal. I mean, it was a goal, not an offside, you know. South good skins again behind the scenes, Steve. Njengoba Chito washilo ukuthi keep with the man. Ayasazi Steve. But the City Success feel up Orlando Steve and sithathe lento le Steve. Se final.
Yeah.
Hayi sebashiya abanye Steve. Angazi abubani sebashiya.
But bayasala kusasa.
Yeah.
Guy man of the match Vanda.
Vanda Steve, man of the match Steve. Yo.
Agnamont.
Vanda Steve mina for mina man of the match na. Ngayiphuma ndawo Steve.
Khuliso.
Khuliso umdawo odlala. Steve uhliza adlala game sharp Steve.
Yeah. Always 100.
For me umdawo Steve.
Yeah. Thank you.
Sebsuku Steve atseka so.
Yeah, ambo rest.
Hayi